Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to switch off and switch on the ANSYS logo from the mechanical window. You can see in the top right corner of the mechanical window there is ANSYS 2021 R2 logo. If you don't want this logo to appear here, you need to follow some process. First of all, we will go to the workbench module, click on tools, go to options, click on appearance. Now below the text color there is ANSYS logo option. Just click on this down arrow. You will see three options here: white, black and off. As of now the logo is in the white color. If you want the color of the logo to black, you can select the black from here. But if you don't want to show the logo in the mechanical window, you can click on off. As of now we are just clicking on off. Now just click on OK. Now we will see the change in mechanical. Now you can see there is no logo in the top right corner. If you want this logo to show again, then again go to workbench, go to tools, select options, again select appearance. Either you can select white or black color from here so that the logo will again appear on the mechanical window, or you can just click on restore default. You can see once I click the restore default, a white color is showing here. It means the ANSYS logo will again appear in white color. If you want to change the color to black, then just click on black and click on OK. Now we will go to mechanical to see the change. Now you can see the ANSYS logo is again appearing in the mechanical window, but this time in black color. So this is how you can switch on and switch off the ANSYS logo from the mechanical window. If you like this video, kindly hit like and share button. Also subscribe my channel for more such important videos. Thanks for watching.